Hey guys, the Memory Maniac here. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix a Wii U that keeps blinking like a red light. Now, this is mainly because if there's a problem with the Wii U, it just doesn't boot up. But the most common issue is if you replace the disk drive or something, and that's what it does. So yeah, let's start by disassembling it. So there are 3 tri-wing screwdrivers and 3 that are not these ones. Like after you open these ones, there are 3 more tri-wings. So let's start by opening the 3 Phillips screwdrivers right here. Now this should slide and it should open now, revealing the tri-wings. Alright, now we're just gonna open all of these with the tri-wing screwdriver. After unscrewing it, there are 2 screws here you need to open. They're both Phillips screwdrivers, so this can be opened really easily. There's one. There's the other one. And if you see correctly, one of them is longer than the other one. The long one is between the fans here, and the shorter one is right next to the battery thing. And now it should open if you lift it from the back and kind of wiggle it. It's gonna, there, like that. So we're gonna check this cable right here, and under the disk drive there's also another ribbon cable we have to check. Now let's see here. Make sure it's pushed in all the way. And lock it. Let's see now. Okay, so that didn't fix the problem. Now let us open there are 2 Phillips screws here, one on the other side. Let's open them so we can lift this thing. And then there are other 4 screws here that's holding the disk drive in place. I know this thing could move. Carefully, do not damage this cable. Without this, it can't really power on. And now for the 4 screws. One here, the same on the other side. Let's open them. And now this should lift. Should see it from this angle. See that ribbon cable right there? This be really delicate. There we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap it. Not literally change the whole thing, but swap it like this. Let me just blow on it. Make sure there's no dust. Plug it in. And then close it. And do it on the same thing. I'll plug it in on the TV just to show you guys that the disk drive is the problem, so you guys know. Now, as you can see, I plugged it in without the disk drive and it should work. See? Then the disk drive is the problem. Now, let's try plugging in the disk drive and seeing if it's gonna actually work. So this is how you do it. Let me show you guys. It's gonna be a bit hard to see because this stand I have is really bad. There, let me just zoom in. There we go. You just align it, and this part is a bit tricky, but it's not pushed in all the way. Okay, there we go. Now I would say it's pushed in, I guess. Let's see. Yep. Once it's pushed in, you feel like it can't go, you just lock it in. And you put this thing back really gently. Now we'll see. It's gonna work. If it doesn't, then I don't really know what to do. I need to get a new ribbon cable. There we go. And you finally fixed it. Now we're gonna test it and see if it works. Alright, let's plug it in and hopefully it should work. It turns on instantly when I put the... If I turn it on with the Wii remote. The problem is I don't have any Wii remote spare. Okay, this is good. Come on, please work. Okay. No way. Did I actually fix it? Alright, let's see. The moment of truth. Okay. Let's go. We finally fixed it. Alright, let me try launching a game. If this works, then 100% sure my method works. Come on. Please work. Let's see. Hope it doesn't make the grinding noise. Okay, so far so good. Alright, we finally fixed it. My Wii U is successfully fixed. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. I'm planning to make more videos now, since I'm becoming more creative these days. I'm really happy with that. My Wii U finally works. It stopped working at around April. It was so boring without it. Anyways, see you guys later in the next video. Goodbye.